Hi, I'm John Mitchell, IPC President and CEO. As the summer ends and thoughts of school come to mind, IPC is increasing its educational focus on addressing the skills gap. According to a recent IPC study, IPC findings on the skills gap in U.S. electronics manufacturing, 2/3 of electronic industry companies have difficulty finding production workers. 2/3. Numbers that high indicate a greater problem. Without skilled production workers, companies cannot expand, innovate, or take advantage of new ideas, and employees cannot grow and learn and become integral parts of the larger electronics industry. Everybody loses. To help solve this problem, and to aid both employers and employees, IPC launched new IPC Electronics Workforce Training courses to help electronics companies and their employees. IPC Electronics Workforce Training courses will help IPC members overcome workforce skills gap challenges with essential and value-added coursework that is curated exclusively to address the most difficult to fill positions in the electronics industry. This helps employers sustain and grow their businesses while ensuring that employees can enhance their knowledge. IPC Electronics Workforce Training courses were created by industry experts and educational specialists to help provide real-world knowledge and skills that frontline employees need to accomplish their tasks the right way every time, every day. These courses can be offered directly to employees or easily integrated into a more comprehensive company training program. Successful companies embrace change and innovation. Investing in the professional development of your employees is critical to innovation. IPC Electronics Workforce Training courses enable companies to reduce employee turnover, attract new talent, and improve customer satisfaction. IPC's goal with electronics workforce training courses is to give companies the competitive edge with a well-trained, skilled workforce. New courses available are Electronics Assembly for Operators, IPC A610 for Operators, IPC J Standard 001 for Operators, Soldering Fundamentals 1, and ESD Control for Electronics Assembly. For course descriptions and to view IPC's expanded course catalog, visit training.ipc.org. Thank you.